everyone, and welcome to the demo day of the BetterFuture AI Acceleration Program. So we started this program almost 2 months ago, selecting 10 AI startups from Central Asia and the Caucasus region, including Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Georgia, Azerbaijan, and Kyrgyzstan. Well, with this fully online program, our mentors from all around the world provided them with support on a range of topics, from finance to fundraising tips to marketing strategies. Over the past 8 weeks, all of the founders have shown incredible dedication and effort, and I would like to thank every one of them for that effort that they have shown. I'm also quite excited for everyone here to see how remarkable they and their businesses are. I would also like to thank our mentors and partners who have supported us throughout this program. Thank you to everyone who joined us here today, including VCs and investors from the Central Asian Caucasus region, Turkey, and Eastern Europe. Well, before we continue, I'd like to hand the microphone to Mustafa Kopuk, the managing partner of DOMiNO Ventures.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to the demo day of the BetterFuture AI Acceleration Program. I'm the managing partner of DOMiNO Ventures, Mustafa Kopuk. As DOMiNO, we are focusing on high-tech, pure digital, and first-day global startups from Central Asia, Eastern Europe, and Turkey, with an ambition to create domino effect for better future. We are operating worldwide with 8 different offices in Amsterdam, Istanbul, Estonia, Poland, Georgia, Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan, and Uzbekistan. We are so proud to complete the first batch of the program successfully, and I sincerely thank our mentors, local and international partners, our great team, and of course the great founders who have completed the program as of today. I believe every startup you will listen today will have a great success in the future. Also, let me clarify that BetterFuture AI Acceleration Program is a completely free program. No one, including us, asking any participation fee or any share option or any discounted valuation from the graduated startups. With this program, we just aim to create a domino effect for better AI startups from the region. That's all. Also, I can proudly announce that as of today, we will start investment negotiations with almost half of graduated startups here. So now I'm going to give the floor to our managing partner, Yağız Karadeniz. Wish you a great demo day. See you around.
Thank you, Mr. Mustafa. Guys, too much friends here. Thank you for all participating. Good afternoon first. Welcome to the demo day of the BetterFuture AI Acceleration Program, organized by us, DOMiNO Ventures. Today is a special day as we celebrate the first batch of our program, which focuses on AI-driven startups from the Caucasus and the Central Asia regions. We are really excited to introduce 10 amazing startups from Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Georgia, Azerbaijan, and Kyrgyzstan. These startups are full of talent and innovation, and we are proud to have them here. Over the past 8 weeks, our fully online program provided them support in broad range of topics and helped them, these teams in fields such as improving business models, setting up effective KPI systems, and understanding important topics like US taxation, financial regulations. Our program has been enriched by mentors worldwide, including Canada, Bahrain, the USA, Pakistan, Spain, Hungary, Turkey, Serbia, and more. Thanks to all, these mentors have shared their knowledge and experience, creating a truly global learning environment. We thank really all of our mentors for their time, expertise, and dedication. Their guidance has been invaluable to all our startups, has significantly contributed to their growth. Today, we celebrate the determination and innovation of these startups. They have shown incredible creativity, and resilience, and now they stand ready to make a significant impact their businesses in their industries. For investors, this demo day is an excellent opportunity to discover groundbreaking ideas and invest in the future of technology. As we move forward with these presentations, I encourage you to engage and ask questions. Let's celebrate and their journey and look forward to the bright future as they are building. Thank you for joining us today. I'm telling that it's pretty good to see all of the friends from Central Asia and Turkey. Being together is pretty important. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Gülsüm and Mr. Mustafa.
Well, thank you, Yavuz, for your words. So before we start, let me give you a bit of detail about how we proceed. Well, as I mentioned, we have 10 startups lined up. We will call them in alphabetical order. Each of them will have 5 minutes to pitch, followed by 3 minutes of Q&A session. Well, if you have any questions, please raise your virtual hand, then we will give you the word. For a quick reminder for our founders, there will be two warning sounds. The first one indicates that you have 1 minute remaining, and the second one means that your time is up and we will move on with the Q&A session. For our guests, if you have further questions for the founders, we will connect you with the founder after this meeting. So yeah, I think we can start now with our founders. First, we will listen Yerjan from Acro. He's from Kazakhstan, and Yerjan, the stage is yours.
Thank you, Gülsüm. Let me share my screen. You all see it?
Yes, we can see it.
All right. Hi, my name is Yerjan, and I'm CEO and co-founder of Acro, an autonomous AI-powered growth engineer that builds personalized post-click experiences at scale. Oops. Before diving into what we do, let me introduce who we are and what we've delivered for our users. We're second-time founders with a deep background in engineering and marketing. My co-founders, Yelan and Alex, have spent the last 8 years running a dev shop and marketing agency, creating over 200 websites and thousands of landing pages with marketing campaigns. As for me, I'm a product manager and engineer at heart, with a master's degree from CMU and product experience at Apple. I previously bootstrapped and sold an e-commerce analytics platform in 2016. In recent months, we have helped mid-sized enterprises generate over 3,000 personalized landing pages, achieving at least 32% of uplift in conversions and notable reductions in cost per lead, saving them months of work. Take Telnex, for example, a $140 million in ARR company based in the US. Using our platform, they created over 370 dynamic personalized landing pages in just a couple of days, leading to a 35% increase in conversions. 95% of their B2B marketing efforts directed traffic to websites, and 94% of these visits didn't convert. Why? Because visitors landed on generic homepages or irrelevant landing pages with misaligned messaging and left. For them, and for the average B2B company, it takes 3 weeks to generate one landing page for a single ad involving at least 5 employees. From our conversations with over 80 marketers, we've learned that continuously updating and improving personalization efforts is their biggest challenge. That's why we've built Acro, an AI-powered growth engineer that helps generate pipelines by autonomously analyzing and generating personalized landing page experiences optimized for results, audience, and digital platforms. Our SaaS platform ingests company data such as branding, audience, and intent to deliver tailored one-to-one landing experiences dynamically at scale with zero manual effort, delivering higher conversion rates and ROI. Using Acro is super easy. We plug into the website company data sources and traffic channels. It then analyzes user segments, channels, and other data to deliver one-to-one personalized experiences at scale. Our AI algorithms learn on the go and continuously iterate to produce better results. This way, using Acro, Telnex generated personalized landing pages autonomously for segments like e-commerce, large enterprises, or even one-to-one experiences without requiring users to write a single line of code or marketing copy. Similarly, we've effectively transformed the way Device42 creates landing pages, boosting their conversion and saving weeks of their development time. Since launching last November with a team of 5 and through founder-led sales, we've onboarded 8 mid-sized enterprises from the US and Europe, with more in the pipeline. We went through the Alchemist program and DOMiNO accelerators. Our current business model is SaaS, with the initial user paying somewhere between $500 to up to $2,000 per month. And we're planning to test outcome and cost-driven pricing model, taking up to 3% of their marketing costs we impact. This is a win-win approach, offers more upsell opportunities. The market's huge, and today we focus on 30,000 B2B mid-sized companies in the US and Europe, heavily reliant on Google Ads traffic, where our product can make a significant impact. This is really important for marketers today because they're under pressure to get better results with the same budgets. Customer acquisition costs have tripled over the past 5 years, and with cookies going away, it's even tougher. Recent AI developments help us tackle these challenges at scale. We help marketers with scalable autonomous personalization, setting us apart from competitors like Mutiny, a $2 billion company. That's top of mind for B2B marketers when they think of personalization. Unlike Mutiny, which requires creating each experience individually, Acro allows users to create numerous dynamic landing pages variations in bulk, all within just 1 or 2 hours. Our advisory team has extensive experience in growing software as a service companies. They possess years of sales and management experience, along with a successful track record of exits in the same market that Acro operates in. Now we're raising a pre-seed round of $600,000 to unlock these milestones. Join us in our mission for the future, where every company running any marketing campaigns should have Acro and do nothing but connect and deliver personalized visitor experiences at scale. Thanks.
Well, thank you very much, Ercan. Your time, your time management was perfect. So do you guys have any questions to Ercan about Acro?
So maybe Ercan, thank you for the presentation. It was quite comprehensive. So maybe it would be great for the audience if you can elaborate the competitive landscape and how do you differentiate Acro from the competitors?
Sure. So there are several competitive platforms which solve this kind of problems for mid-sized and large enterprises. And I put Mutiny here as one of the most popular and one of the most platform that comes to mind to the marketers that we talk to. And there are some others like Intellimize, which was acquired by Webflow a month ago, VWO, which was acquired by McDonald's a couple of years ago. And they all have the same solution and UX in the core as Mutiny does. These platforms helps companies and marketers to create the personalized landing page and websites one at a time. So for example, I want to create a segment or create a website or landing page for a particular segment. I need to go through a WYSIWYG editor, what you see is what you get editor kind of type, and create one landing page variation for each segment at a time. And we've built a platform which helps these users to create for any number of segments or for any number of marketing campaigns and ads at the same time with without any like needing to create marketing copy and at scale. The way we formed our solution is based on our learnings. One of the learnings that we got from the market is that 80% of the experimentations and personalization happens on the content level, and the other 20% happens on the UI and front-end level. That's why we've focused our MVP and our first version of the product to help these companies to create the personalization at scale, not one at a time. Thank you.
Okay, perfect. Thank you for the answer.
Thanks. Question.
Well, thank you. Thank you very much, Tahir, for the question, and thank you very much, Ercan, for the answer. I think we can move on to Aldente AI, I'll give the microphone to Laura. She's from Kazakhstan, and Laura, the stage is yours.
Hi everyone, I'm Laura, co-founder and CEO at Aldente AI. And today, all of you, I want to take on a journey how we at Aldente AI may make change by turning hidden video data into powerful insights. Just imagine you're at the coffee shop, it's the morning time, and you wanted to buy your favorite coffee. But you see a long waiting line at the counter, and there is only one cashier who is struggling to keeping up all this stuff. And you see around, the tables are not cleaned up, people are getting nervous, and even staff members are not at their position and doing their services. And the next morning, when you decide to go to buy your coffee, you probably prefer to go to another place and do not come to the same and waste your time. And this is actually the problem. And more than 1 million brick and mortar businesses in the US face this problem every day, and they lose money up to 30% in their revenue each time. And this is actually where our story begins. Just now think about the cameras that can just more than just record. They can communicate. They could count customers, measure waiting time, and even alert the stuff when customer is waiting too long. Aldente AI is like multifunctional assistant who never sleeps, who equipped with AI and severe recognition, and offering real-time insight when it is necessary. And it tells to the business owner exactly what they need to know to keep things moving fast and efficient. How it works. We connect to existing infrastructure, define metrics and areas, and the owner gets real-time insights via web service or messages. Our traction. We launched our MVP in March this year. We generated around 10K by partnering with big chain companies in our region. And also we have in pipeline 90K by partnering with large companies and enterprises like telecom operator in our region, and also US-based companies as well. We offer different types of plans to our businesses. It depends upon size and metrics. We offer starting from pilot programs to customized plan or to our large enterprises. Our market opportunity, our TAM is huge, but we are focusing and targeting only on a certain segment. We wanted to focus with multi-location companies, and we plan to reach 300 million within 5 years. Despite on our competitors, we know what makes us unique. It is definitely our product and technology. We develop own models and provide custom metrics, and we focus on a certain segment, and we work with businesses that wanted to scale and grow. We have great advisors in our portfolio, and they are really top managers in the industry. We have advisors from Panda Express, from McDonald's, from Black Quotidian, and we have Asset, who is leading international IT community in the US as well. And our team, it is unique. Despite that we're an early stage startup and we are small, but still our team is solid. We know how to make our product technically. We have domain expertise in the industry, and we know how to lead and scale our business. And now we are raising a pre-seed round to focus on our product and our team. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much, Laura. Again, great timing from your side. If you have any questions to Laura, if you have any questions for Laura, please raise your virtual hand and we will give you the word. Okay, I have a question for Laura. I want to hear more about your expansion and market strategy, Laura. What are you planning to do if you receive the investment that you are seeking for?
Yes, thank you for the question. Now we are operating in Kazakhstan region, and we have partners and we have customers here, but we are focusing on US region also because we have advisors there. We are getting expertise in there. So our focus, it is our market as well, and we wanted to take it by default and the US region as well. And yes, and it will go on this market.
Thank you very much, Laura. Well, we can move on, I think, if you guys have any other questions for Laura. Okay, well, now we will go to Georgia, to Ani, and listen more about Arrival. Ani, the stage is yours.
Yeah, okay. I was asking about the microphone. Let me share my screen. Okay, yeah. Oh, good, good. So, hello everyone, my name is Ani and I'm a CEO at Arrival that solves problems for game developers and makes their work more efficient. I would like you to ask to picture being a video game creator and spending a lot of time on creating this 3D environment for your game, and then integrating this game into an existing marketplace. So in this case, you should face challenges such as high cost and labor-intensive nature, and also there is a lack of AI solutions in the market for cross-platform integrations. What if I told you that you could do all this in just a few clicks? So Arrival is a software which gives you an ability to generate the 3D spaces, do modifications there, and directly integrate with different game marketplaces, of course, with the help of AI assistant. We combine different sources and integrate APIs of different game marketplaces. This approach allows you to make the entire process 5 times faster and 3 times cheaper than existing solutions are. So we are not just one solution, we are a combination of different solutions with a sophisticated pipeline. So just to simply imagine, Arrival is a mid-journey for 3D space generations. So how do we make money? Through our subscription-based model, we offer flexible plans for depending on the number of generations and depending on the access to different game marketplaces. And of course, we start with the B2B solution and partner with the different game marketplaces. So what's going on in the market? Basically, the global virtual gaming market is booming and is projected to reach $610 billion and by 2032. And US markets, the one that we target first, holds 40% of it. And the timing couldn't be better, and we think that we are right in the heart of it. And for us, the gaming industry is just the beginning because the software can be used in the other different fields as well. Definitely in this extremely attractive market, we can find some different players and that offer similar solutions. However, there's something that sets us apart, and our secret sauce lies in this direct integration with gaming platforms in one click, and also bringing together various 3D generating tools that are existing in the market. We focus on creating a sophisticated integrated pipeline of the entire process. So what about the traction? We're already ready to launch our MVP, and additionally, we have identified 20,000 game studios working on Roblox, on Spatial, and other game marketplaces. We have interviewed a lot of them, and we have 120 game studios in our waiting list. So we know what they need and what they are waiting for us, and what is their actual pain point. So moreover, while testing these customers, we validated the need for these 3D models and 3D spaces, and we tried this solution on international companies, and they even paid us. So what about the roadmap? We started last year in April, and in September, we already had our proof of concept software. We got our idea stage investments, and we are ready to launch our MVP. And by the end of, with our 5-year projections, we will have 9 million in revenue. Last but not least, our team, and we are really proud to introduce it, starting together from virtual events, observing the issue of the market with high costs and labor incentives, we decided to create the software that's gonna make this process easier. So combined, we brought together leaders from UK, US, and Georgia, and have together 60 more years of expertise in tech, and advertisement, and Web3 communications. So founders, a metaverse leader, and a seasoned startup builder. They guide the strategy. Our DeFi savior, CTO, he was pioneered in HFTs in DEXs, and also award-winning creative directors and amazing advisors from the metaverse development and financial veterans. So after getting our idea stage investment of 80K, we are looking for $255,000 with a valuation of $2,150,000. By allocating approximately 67% will go to the development of the software, and finally launching our MP and making sure that it works perfectly. Yep, thank you. If you have any question, I'm really happy to answer.
Thank you, Annie. Again, perfect timing from you as well. We are going really well. Well, if you have any questions to Annie, please raise your virtual hand and we will give you the word.
I can also demo my video. Thank you.
Yeah, that's great. Thank you, Annie.
So Annie, I may have one question. Can you please tell us more about the milestones you have achieved so far, and also like your current objectives for the short and long term?
Okay, definitely. So our main milestone was for sure idea stage investment. We got our proof of concept software. The one that I showcased is already working. Like this demo video that I showcased, this one is already working. And we are already in the process of developing and making more easier and user-friendly for our customers, because we don't target just the developers who know some coding and stuff. So normal people, creative people who have some ideas can put them into action and create some games or create some spaces for virtual event. We could also do this demo day in the virtual, but okay, for the next time. Yeah, so the objectives for the future, definitely launching by the end of this month, we're launching our MVP and bringing on board already the customers from our waiting list. There are like 120 studios approximately that already we talked to them. They're ready. Our co-founders in US now currently raising funds and bringing this game studios. So definitely launch our MP, build the community of these game developers, game studios, and integrate as much possible game marketplaces as available. So if anyone has any connection with the game studios or I don't know, game marketplaces, would love to chat with you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much, Annie. Thank you very much for the questions I hear. So I think we can move on. Now we are going to Azerbaijan, and Azar, we are listening to Azar and Elara. Azar, the stage is yours.
Hello, everyone. Let me quickly share my screen. All right. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Hi again. So my name is Azir. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Elara, which is an AI-driven solution designed to empower wealth management teams. Let me quickly talk about wealth management. It's a multi-trillion-dollar financial service that provides investment advice, financial planning, and personalized strategies to help individuals and families manage and grow their wealth. wealth managers work with high net worth clients to optimize their financial portfolios, ensuring their financial goals are met. First, I'd like to introduce our team. So we are experienced professionals, all based in the United States with extensive backgrounds in wealth management, AI, and venture capital. As you know already, I'm Azir with over 5 years of experience at JP Morgan and Bank of America Wealth Management. My co-founders are Abay Bektursun. He's originally from Kazakhstan. He's based in Austin, Texas, with 8+ years in AI at companies like Apple and HP. And our COO is Gujrat Guliev, with a strong background in venture capital and consulting, including experience as startup ventures in New York and Ernst & Young. So the problem, wealth management industry currently faces 3 major problems. I personally faced all of these issues during my time at Bank of America and JP Morgan. First of all, manual workflows. Nowadays, teams spend over 40% of their time on routine, repetitive tasks. Poor data management, outdated client data in CRMs prevent personalized and timely advice, and inefficient lead generation. Traditional methods like cold calling are outdated. Elara addresses these issues with workflow automation. It streamlines repetitive tasks, allowing advisors to focus on clients. Enhanced data management ensures accurate and up-to-date client data for better decision-making and efficient lead generation. We're planning to extend Elara to other companies, and they, by employing Elara, like high net worth service businesses, can refer pre-qualified clients to each other. So why now? According to recent reports from McKinsey, Accenture, and Deloitte, 80% of advisors see AI-powered notifications as a clear benefit. They prefer using AI to automate time-consuming tasks, and rising client expectations demand personalized solutions, which AI can deliver. Our target market is large and it's growing rapidly, with over 300,000 wealth managers just in the US, and a wealth tech industry in the US expected to grow at 25% annual growth rate, reaching $57 billion by 2030. The opportunity here is immense. Also, more than 1,600 advisors become independent advisor firms annually, highlighting a significant market segment for Elara. We currently have only one direct competitor in the market. It's called Cognicore. Elara stands out with user-friendly experience. Compared to Cognicore, Elara is intuitive and easy to use. We have affordable pricing. Our tiered pricing model makes advanced AI accessible to firms of all size. Industry exposure, our team has extensive experience in wealth management, and we have a referral network. Also, we have our revenue model is monthly subscription, starting from $199, and for enterprises, we have custom pricing for unlimited users and clients. Our target customers include small to medium-sized independent wealth management firms and breakaway advisors. And roadmap, we've already launched beta the testing, and we have completed the Elara's integration with one of the most common CRMs for the wealth management firms. We have over 50 signups for our waiting list, and in the next few days, we'll onboard our first customers. We're currently raising $1.5 million for an 18-month runway. This will help us continue building Elara and achieve over 500,000 time. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Azar. If you have any questions to Azar, please raise your virtual hand, then we will give you the word. Well, maybe I can ask you a question, Azar. So you said you designed this product from your product based on your experiences. What advantages do you think your experiences does bring to this product?
Well, yes. First of all, it's use cases. Since I've spent over 5 years at wealth management, so I faced with thousands of different use cases. So when we build Elara, I do use my past experience to direct my team, my engineering team, to engineer Elara so it addresses the most challenging problems of wealth management teams. So that's the big advantage. And I did a secret shopping with our only competitor. They do not have that experienced professional in their team. They're all technical people, co-founders and employees, and their sales team almost doesn't exist in the US.
Yeah, thank you very much, Azar. I think we can move on if you have any other questions for Azar.
So I would like to thank everyone for your time and for everything you did during these 2 months, DOMiNO Ventures. I appreciate everything you did. I would like to ask your permission to leave early. It's my wedding I and my family and friends are throwing a huge party outside here. I would like to go join them if you
Of course,
allow me to
Congrats,
go.
Azar. Congrats for your marriage.
Thank you very much,
Bye.
guys. Thank you. Good luck, everyone. Talk soon.
Bye, Azar. Thank you.
Bye.
So I think we can move on to Oleg, to Enji, to Kyrgyzstan. Oleg, the stage is yours.
Oh, microphone check. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen. So excited to be here. Hello, everybody. So let's read a slideshow. Yeah. Can you see my screen? Hello?
Yes, we can see it. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So hello, everybody. My name is Oleg. I am more than 20 years in tech, and we are building Enji. So we are bringing transparency in software development to the company's top management. So the current situation, there are 2 cases. Post-COVID opened the opportunity for the remote workforce. And the soft landing recession in the weaponized conflicts, they forced companies to start think about efficiency. But the software outsourcing continues to grow. That companies still building software a lot, and it's extremely huge market, which is estimated 1.4 trillion in 2030. But there are 2 main problems on this market between enterprise customers and software vendors. There is a lack of transparency and the lack of tools for managing external vendors. So these companies trying to solve their issues using the software vendors offshore, but they're complaining. This is why we're building Enji, where we analyze the results of engineers' work. We do not track them. We're generating insights and helps leaders come up with decisions based on facts and metrics. So we collect, analyze, and copilot and assist. So Enji was born inside huge custom software development company MedDevs. When MedDevs released Enji internally, it started to grow exponentially. Right now, it's 140 engineers and several $1 million ARR. Last year, we decided to roll out Enji to the market. And this year, we started to gain customers. So we have customers from US, from Singapore, from Canada. MedDevs is a customer as well. And we have pilots, a lot of them from Kyrgyzstan, but we are targeting global. It's quite easy to find customers in Kyrgyzstan for us, but we're aiming global for sure. So why now? The results of engineers' work is LLM friendly, so it's easy to analyze by AI. The market is ready for hybrid and remote workforce. The enterprise customers, they want the solutions inside their perimeter because they want to keep their data in case of AI era. They do not want some kind of AI trained by their data. And software engineering becomes commodity. That's a case. So our business model is quite simple. So we bring Enji inside the customer facilities without any limits, just 1 monthly fee, and that's all. For small companies, we have our cloud options. And our future goal is to hunt several huge enterprises. I believe we can do this. So the sector is not new. There are quite a few companies, but they are mostly selling seats in their cloud and focusing on engineers. We want to go in the opposite direction. So we want to go on premise and sell Enji inside the company's facilities in affordable price. We want to focus on employers, on stakeholders rather than employees. And we have deep workload analytics. So when you mix workload and different other metrics, you can see the real picture and you know how to adapt in your company. So we are looking for 1 mil for 1 or 2 years. If our partner or investor will help us with distribution channel, I'm pretty sure we will go using this money for a break even. Thank you for your time, and I will be super happy to answer your questions.
Well, thank you, Oleg. You use your time very efficiently. Thanks for that. If you have any questions to Oleg, please feel free to ask and raise your virtual hand.
So thank you, Oleg, for the presentation. I may have a quick question about the sale process of your product. Like, can you elaborate more, like the onboarding cycle of Enji, and also what kind of sales strategy you are following now?
Yeah, thank you. So there is a case that most of the B2B sales happening using word of mouth. So my strategy right now goes as follows. I try to convince these customers, these huge brands like Clutch, Asia Innovate Hub, T-Tech Global, to use Enji with a low price, but with the permission for Enji to use their logo and to use the case study in our marketing strategy. So I completely believe if the market will know that the Clutch is using Enji and how we can help Clutch to grow, I'm pretty much sure that this information will spread to the internet, and a lot of Clutch followers, lots of Clutch competitors, and a lot of companies who are working with Clutch hopefully will try to reach us or ping us out. So this is the go-to-market strategy that I'm looking for. The second option is to find partners in the different markets. Right now, I'm found a partner in Malaysia, and these people, they're highly connected with Malaysian telecoms and fintech, and we are thinking about to create a joint company in Malaysia, so we can give them Enji, and they will sell Enji and manage Enji and support Enji customers in the Southeast Asia market. And if this will go smoothly, I hopefully will try to scale this in different areas, so different markets, find different partners. I think that the B2B sales like goes like in this kind of formula.
Okay, perfect. Good luck with that, and thank you for the answer.
Yeah, thank you so much, and thanks for opportunity to participate in this event. It was kind of pleasure. It was excited. Thank you so much.
Yeah, our pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you, Oleg. Thank you very much. I think we can move on with Rim and with Kale. We can go back to Kazakhstan. Rim, stage is yours.
Hello, everyone. 1 second. Excuse me, I cannot share full screen. Can I start with this type of presentation?
Yes, of course, go ahead.
Okay, thank you. Hello, everyone. My name is Rim. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Kale, a virtual AI coach who can accelerate employer professional growth by nudging. And I think you can say, what is nudging? What is it? And let's talk about nudging opportunities in this presentation. Before we talk about opportunities, just imagine the real impact of habits, stress, burnout, and anxiety on our life and business. thousands of reasons to say stop to work and growth. And as a result, we are losing our talent employees right now. Firstly, we met low engagement, poor performance, irrational behavior, and BAM, unhappy climate without any innovations became a gold standard in our company. And this is this problem has a really huge size. $19 billion is the market size of corporate well-being programs only in EMEA region. A lot of really great companies are trying to help businesses with employee retention, but all of them have one big problem. The name of this problem is involvement of employees. Only 8% is the maximum level of employee involvement in any well-being program today. Why? Because we just live, we like to put off our small problems, we don't solve it immediately, and we collect every day small problems, and tomorrow we have a big problem. In Kale, the number of our involvement is more than 40%. We do it by using our nudging technology based on AI. Kale knows what happens with employee tomorrow and show better next step in personal and professional growth to your employees. Kale contact with your employees and nudge them to solve the small problems every day and every week. Kale like a personal mentor who takes care better than your HR, whom we see only, on onboarding or exit interview, and better than the team lead, who is often an excellent developer, but not a manager. Kale knows in the moment what want your employee and can turn it into cool analytics for your HR department. And also businesses love us. We have more than $150,000 revenue in 2023, and our new easy subscriptions in 2024 for fast scaling. We're also a company and growing, showing a great picture of a strong power and well-being climate. Together, we are working since 2020 and saw a lot of pivots and fails. We are ready, really ready to continue quickly change and raising our first $200,000 to accelerate our formula and increase revenue by 10 times in 2025. Kale, your company is a homeland of a new talent, and thank you to DOMiNO for this opportunity. I'm ready for your questions. Thank you.
Thank you, Rim. Thank you very much. If you have any questions for Rim, please raise your virtual hand and we will give you the word. Well, Rim, I have a question for you actually. Can you elaborate your product roadmap? What are your future plans for Kale AI?
Yeah, I think this slide can show our next steps in technologies and our main focus. Right now, we are focused on the number of our active users because it is important. It is our main data for analyze our real next steps. So our plan to finish 2024 with 25,000 users, active users, and get our first investments. Our main marketing channel is HR communities and a lot of trials, demos, lectures for HR. So for this, we need more money, more investment money. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Rim. Thank you very much for your answer as well. Well, I think we can move on if anyone else have any other questions for Rim. Okay, I think we can move on. Rim, could you please? Okay, thank you. So we are staying at Kazakhstan. We are now giving the microphone to Mark, and we will learn more about Pleep and what Pleep does. Mark, the stage is yours.
Yep. Hello, everyone. 1 second, just let me share my screen. Can you see it?
Yeah, we can see it.
Okay. Yeah. I think I can start. Okay, yeah, so hello everyone, my name is Mark and I'm founder at Pleep. And Pleep is an ecosystem for building AI systems for small and medium businesses. Okay, so let's imagine that I'm the company and you're the customer. So if you texted me and I reply in 12 hours, the conversion rate is only 6%. If I will reply in 1 hour, the conversion rate will be around 10%. But if I reply in 3 minutes, the conversion rate will go up to 48%. Though, if I reply in 10 seconds, the conversion rate will be 88%. So on average, small and medium businesses respond in 60 minutes. And because of this, they lose from 40 to 70% of their potential customers and receive 40% less profit due to long responses. So we solve it using AI assistant from Pleep. Our assistant reduces response time to 9 seconds and also reduces the possibility of losing clients by 60%. And because of this, you can simply make more money. And also it helps you to increase the amount of sales because you will not be in need of hiring a new manager when going to new market, right? So here are our main features. We are mainly focused on building an ecosystem and we want to make everything accessible at one place. So in just 30 minutes, you can create and integrate your own AI assistant. You can train it on dynamic knowledge base using Google Sheets or Google Documents. Also, you will never lose real touch with your customers because you'll always be able to talk from an operator side. And also we have multi-channel integrations with pretty much all the channels as like WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram, and CRMs. So let's talk about customers. Here is Language Learning App, our actually first customer, and they have more than 5,000 active users, monthly active users. So before using Pleep, the response time was 1 hour, and 81% of all requests were repetitive, and their customer satisfaction rate were only 44%. After using Pleep, the response time reduced to 10 seconds, assistant started to get all of these repetitive questions, and customer satisfaction rate rose up to 76%. So now let's talk about market. We're located in the AI software market, and we're mainly focused on small and medium-sized businesses. So we calculated the size of our market, multiplying the amount of companies in our target markets that we want to go to by average order value. And here you go, we're planning to reach $87.5 million valuation in the next 2 years. So we have a lot of competitors, here are the main ones, but again, we are building an ecosystem. Our assistant can request help on his own whenever he wants, so that you always be, in touch with the client. We also have multi-channel and CRM integrations with popular CRMs and pretty much all the channels that you have. You always will have an ability to interrupt AI and talk as a human, and we also mainly focused on making the creation process very easy because that's how we sell, and I'll talk about it in a minute. We sell subscriptions. Here are 3 subscriptions, and the selection of subscription depends on what company size you have. Our leadership team consists of me as a CEO, Evgenia as a CPO, and Luca as a CTO. So Luca have experience of leading development of 2 startups. He is a computer science student research at Nika Science Center, and he has experience in creating roadmaps and planning huge plans. So Evgenia, she has 2 years of working in startups. She's a product manager at Codland. She has 1 year experience of developing B2B product. And I am a CEO. I have 1.5 year experience in startups. I founded HR Tech B2B2C product previously, and I'm a software engineer at Starfund. So here's our roadmap, and we're going pretty quick. So by the June of 2025, we want to scale to the USA. You want to get 789 clients and rise up to 60,000 MRR. And by this time, we need resources because we need to run fast. So here's our traction. We started selling in May, and in May we made around $700. So our MRR is currently $700. Our average order value is $73. Customer acquisition cost is $38, which already possesses us into positive unit economic. And our predicted CLTV is $366. And here you can see our forecast. So marketing strategy, we sell using digital marketing, sales through partners, and most importantly, sales through clients, because referrals are very important for us. Our go-to markets is CIS, Turkey, and United States, as I said previously. CIS is just because we're located here. Turkey, you have a Turkic language, and it's a huge market, so we already can actually go here, but we need resources for this. In the United States, it's the biggest market with the highest demand on AI. So we look for $100,000, 46% of which will go to sales and marketing, 47% will go to developing a product and hiring new people and making sure that team scales, and 7% will go to infrastructure support. So I really want to thank you for your attention. And if you want to try our assistant, go to our website. Here is the QR code, here is the link, and just ask any question you have. Here are my contacts, and I'll be happy to talk to you later.
Well, thank you, Mark, very much. Again, very good timing.
I think.
So guys, if you have any questions to Mark, please feel free to ask.
Thank you, Mark, for the presentation. So I wonder, like, you pivoted your business throughout our program recently, and I would maybe it would be great for the audience to hear about it. Like, what kind of feedback have you received from your clients so that you pivoted your business in this direction?
Yeah. So the main thing, we made a pivot 2 months ago. So we actually like started quite a new business. And it was hard to sell. We were positioning ourselves as a no-code AI applications builder. First of all, it's hard to develop. Second of all, it's hard to sell. And while we were doing customer development interviews, using like different strategies, we mentioned that the majority of the people we talked to need some sort of assistant for the customer support. So that's what we did. We just hearing these things, okay, why do we not just narrow the functionality? By this time, the assistant functionality was already ready. So we just basically we just changed the possession of the platform and started developing our functionality more inside of AI assistants. And that's just how it went. And we got all of the 7 customers that we have right now are bought actually an AI assistant, not some sort of AI application builder. And yeah, I think that's just how we found a needed offer, because it was just hard to sell and customers helped us to do it the right way.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Mark. If you have any other question for Mark, please feel free to ask. Okay, I think we can move on. Well, we are now going to Uzbekistan, to Natalia, to hear more about Stemio. Natalia, the stage is yours. Go ahead.
Hello, thank you. Let me... Sorry. So, do you see my screen?
Yes, we can see it.
Yeah.
Let me present it. Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm happy to see you. My name is Natalia. I'm from Uzbekistan, and I'm a founder of Stemio. I want to start from a short story from my childhood, where I was born in far region of Uzbekistan, and we had a chemistry teacher. So he taught everything, but not chemistry itself. And still I'm bad in physics, chemistry, and all other STEM subjects. And the same problem is still here, and over 15 million school students in Central Asia and neighboring countries, they struggle with these subjects, and they require extra preparation. So they face different challenges, like a long search for a good tutor, high costs, and 70% of the students are not happy because of a lack of emotional support. And also the problem that I also faced by myself, that they left without clear guidance in their STEM future. So we came up with a solution. It's like an AI-powered online ecosystem that transforms STEM learning through innovative teaching, psychological support, and career guidance. So we offer personalized STEM education that engage and interactive, and also helps students and parents to save up to 50% of their monthly budget and 30% of their time. So the market is big, and the global STEM education market is significantly rising, and we're focusing on the market of $1 billion. So our business model is subscription based. We started from B2C, and also we were thinking and still thinking about pivoting to B2B, and now we're doing customer development. I would love to say that our traction is good and it's like 100K ARR, but in fact we faced that there were some problems with product and sales funnel. We were not enough happy with our product, and now we are working on it. And also we have problems with sales funnel where like our customers said, okay, like we want to study in offline learning centers, for example. But like now we understand what to do and working on our solution. Also, we talked with over 100 like universities and initiated partnership discussions with 10 top universities in Uzbekistan. Why we are unique? Because we focus on STEM education and we want to build ecosystem, not just another like online course provider. And so you can see that there is a global trend for more personalized education, and AI is like a must-have in education, but also now we are thinking how to use it in our product and implement it in a way where our customers will be happy. Because we had problems also in when we integrated AI in our product. So our team is highly dedicated, and I work as head of sales and business development director in BILS. It's #1 post-SaaS startup in Uzbekistan. And Lila, she was like running her own business, and Zarina, she's mastering our curriculum. So that's all. Thank you so much. And any questions, I'm here to answer. Thank you.
Thank you, Natalia. Thank you very much. If you have any questions for Natalia, please feel free to ask and raise your virtual hands.
So Natalia, thank you for the presentation. I have a quick question. So Stemio creates an impact in an important field. So about that, like how do you plan to scale it, and also like how to use it as a leverage in the growth of your startup?
So we are working now, like we started from Uzbekistan. We have quite a competitive landscape here, but it's mostly like offline centers. We have several online platforms and like free and paid. So we want, like, we are launched our product. We made first sales. We did MVP. Now we are working on our product from like content and from technological part. Like we are building our learning management system. And after, when we do like good sales, and when we see clear paths how to scale, we want to scale to Central Asia and to MENA region too, because I know that, like for example, in Saudi Arabia or in United Arab Emirates, they also pay much attention to education, and there are many like successful stories in educational startups.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, Natalia. Thank you very much for the pitching, and thank you very much for the answer. If you have any further questions for Natalia, please feel free to ask.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, I think we can go with Shohrukh right now. He's already sharing his screen. So he's from Uzbekistan. His startup's name is Unitlab, but he is in South Korea right now. So Shohrukh, the stage is yours. Go ahead. Okay, you can start.
Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Shohrukh. I am co-founder and CEO Unitlab. Unitlab is delivering collaborative in AI-powered data annotation platform for AI teams. Before start, I really want to explain what actually is data annotation. Everyone here agree, no data, no AI. It's technically impossible to build AI models without data. AI needs annotated data for training. But we have big problem. Data annotation is manual work. It requires human resources and manual process. It's a result, it causes delayed projects, and other side, it causes cost because human resource is never cheap, especially in Europe and US. Today, I am really excited to explain our product, which is 15 times faster and 5 times cheaper comparing to every existing platform in the world. But how? Thanks to after labeling, which we developed within 2 years. And it's not also, we also powered with high-level collaboration and real-time monitoring. And how it works. So it's just four stages. First, you come to raw data. Raw data can be image, video, audio, text, etc. You upload our platform, then give to after labeling. After label done your job, it's 15 times faster. And also you can collaborate in our platform with your team, invite or hire, and you can train and host level data. This cycle never ends because AI every time requires a requirement for updates. And this is our business model. Actually, we have multiple business models. First one is subscription business model. Subscription business model, this is standard subscription business model. And we have on-premise business model for B2B also. For keep it simple, we provide here a subscription business model. And about market size, we not only covering data annotation platform, we also covering data tools. We have data management, model management, model version control. So this market size is huge and annual growth rate is high. This is market opportunities. We have researched a lot to find the perfect market fit. And this place is our place, B2B and B2C and on-premise cloud platform. But we are not only this part, we are also 3 parts. This is like players in the market. And this is about competitive. Competitive is our platform. Everyone here knows is common with DOMiNO venture portfolio company. Here, let's speak this graph, tell everything about future. Yeah, it's 2 big company here, Kale and Advent, generating almost $500 million annual recruiting revenue. About early tractions, we have monthly active user, weekly active user. It's a reason we not started yesterday. We launched 2 months ago, but we have MVP within 2 years. So after launching, the highest growth rate is users really active. Like if you check weekly active user, we have already 14 visual companies. We have 3 big customers from South Korea, B2B customers, and already generated 2.3 billion annotations. And this is love from community. If you can find a lot of like commenters and social posts about us, they are really featuring us. And this is roadmap. We already have a really scalable product. We only need to scale. Our product is competitive. We're confident about it, and this roadmap about scaling. And this is our team. We have experts in the area. We have 5 AI patents, and 2 of them from USA. And we make it from NVIDIA Inception program, Google Activate, and Google Startups. This is, if you want to demo, you can like QR code, and you can follow us on LinkedIn. This is all. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you very much. You finished just in time. Thank you very much for the efficient time using as well. If you have any question to Shohrukh, please feel free to ask and raise your virtual hands. Or maybe I can ask you a quick question. Well, can you tell me like more about the competitive landscape? What do you think differentiate Unitlab from its competitors?
Yeah, this is a main like differentiate is most of company is focusing on right now is two different sides. First, right side provide outsources annotators. For example, Cohen, you know very well about it. They providing mobile app and provide outsources annotators, but they really not care about like tool quality, platform quality. But other side invite own annotators. So it's because this is really important because they are main really big players are located right side, not left side. And here, but also they left B2C, they're a huge opportunity for us because there is not much competitors. So already a lot of users coming from here, for example, PhD students from top university, top global students using our platform, PhD university or individual researchers. So we really like confident about take this market on this part. But we also confident about other part, is a lot of competitors already there, but be confident about our tool.
Okay, thank you very much. It's very clear to me. Thank you very much for your answer.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, thank you very much for all of you.
Thank you. So if you have any other questions, please feel free to ask. Well, I think we can move on we can go back to Kazakhstan to Yana and hear more about ZebraEye. Yana, the stage is yours. Go ahead.
Oh, yeah, thank you. Just a minute. Hello, everyone. I'm Yana. I'm CEO and co-founder of ZebraEye. ZebraEye is the world's only AI-powered software for diagnosing rare conditions that are difficult to detect. Do you know about the zebra effect? Let's say we're sitting in a room and we hear hoofbeats. What are we thinking about? About horses, but it could be zebras. And the logical trap is that our brain thinks of the most likely and obvious option, losing sight of the zebra. And zebras are so-called rare diseases, rare and difficult to detect rare diseases that pretend to be common. And 500 million people in the world suffer from rare diseases. More than 40% of patients are misdiagnosed and mistreated. And 80% of pathologies are genetic. The risk people suffering from these diseases will not become less, but only more, because the demographics are growing and the disease is being passed on to children. The problem is getting bigger due to lack of doctors, and in the US only, 90% of countries lack ophthalmologists and 1 doctor per 3 million people. And our solution is ZebraEye. ZebraEye identifies a rare pathology within 1 minute with 95% accuracy. In the next steps, we will diagnose neurodegenerative diseases such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's using eye analysis. Working with ZebraEye takes just 3 simple steps and doesn't require any additional training for doctors. Just log in, create a case, and upload an image. That's it. We trained our model on 100,000 images. This ensures high diagnostic accuracy. And ZebraEye is one smart solution to save time, make money, and trade. ZebraEye reduces diagnostic time from 10 minutes to 1. This allows doctors to admit more patients and increase clinic capacity and increase income. We are targeting the states and MENA region. Here you can see our Samsung zone, and our traction is pretty good for medtech startups. Ministry of Health of Kazakhstan signed an order for the ZebraEye pilots in hospitals. And we also began cooperation with the largest seller of medical equipment in Kazakhstan. And during the year of our existence, we managed to go through such prestigious programs as Google for Startups and Draper University in Silicon Valley. We have 4 competitors. They detect common diseases, and we are the only ones who can diagnose both rare and common diseases. Our business model is subscription and pay-per-scan. And our team includes a doctor, He's a head of the Hong Kong Laboratory of Quantum Ophthalmology. And our CTO is ex-Facebook ML engineer. I'm COO, previously built strategies for tech startups in Indonesia, Arab Emirates, in the UK, and also have experience in the venture fund. I'm also a member of the Forbes 30 Under 30 list. And my co-founder, Doz Yusupov, is a serial medtech entrepreneur. His startup, ZebraEye, is a participant in prestigious programs such as Medtech Innovator and StartX. My second co-founder, Doz Armanispanov, has extensive experience in software development. Our advisor, Peter, is managing partner in venture fund, ex-BlackRock, and Stanford alumni in computer science. He helps us in soft landing in the US. In 2 months, we plan to close the pre-seed round. And by the end of 2025, we plan to get FDA approval. Thank you for your attention. Be healthy.
Thank you very much, Jana. Thank you very much for the good wish as well. If you have any questions to Jana, please feel free to ask and raise your virtual hand. Well, I think I can hit you up with a quick question. What is your sales strategy, Jana? Can you elaborate more about your sales strategy? You can answer now. Go ahead, Jana.
Oh yeah, thank you. It didn't work. So we plan to conduct clinical trials by the end of this year in Saudi Arabia and Bahrain and in the US at Rutgers University. After that, we plan to apply to SFDA, Saudi FDA, and then while receiving the certification, we plan to start our pilots in local hospitals, public hospitals.
Yeah, thank you very much, Jana. Thank you very much for everything. Do you have any other questions for her? Well, thank you, everyone. Thank you for everything. Thank you for the effort. Well, before we ending today, I want to take a quick picture. Could you guys please turn your cameras on?
Okay, I'm waiting for people to turn their cameras on. Okay. Smile then.
Big smiles, guys. Big smiles.
Done. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you for everything. Thank you.
So thank you to all founders and for their pitches. Today we are concluding the demo day now, and also the very first batch of BetterFuture AI Acceleration Program. Over the last 8 weeks, we have had a great journey with 10 amazing founders and with their startups from 5 countries. First, thank you to the investors from different countries who are here today to support our program and also listen to the pitches of startups. And also, I would like to extend our gratitude to the partners, to our partners that we collaborated with on creating this 8 weeks online program. Also, we appreciate it to our mentors for their valuable guidance and support throughout the program. Their expertise and dedication have been quite valuable in shaping the success of the participant startups. And of course, last but not least, a big thank you to the founders for their commitment and active participation in this 2 month. Their effort to make the most of all this, make most out of this program has been truly valuable. It's not an easy to keep up with a fully online program for 2 months, but they did their best. So thank you for this. So yeah, we will send more details and materials of startups to the audience here today. If you would like to connect with any of them, please feel free to reach us. We would be delighted to connect you with our startups. And also, as I mentioned before, it is the very first batch of our Better Future Acceleration Program, and we will keep doing this program in the coming months. If you think we can collaborate in the future batches, we would be delighted to meet you and discuss further for potential partnerships. So yeah, thank you all again. Keep following us and see you in the coming batches.